I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to style an outfit, and my style personally is based off of colors. As maybe you can see my background, I do love colors. So if you want to know how to combine colors more or even find your style, then keep on watching. The first thing you have to do is find your style or your aesthetic. There are many tests you can do online to find this out, and I do suggest you do more than one test. As usually there are limited options within each test so that you can more easily find your style. Now, the reason why I say that you should find your style or your aesthetic is because you should be happy in the clothes that you're wearing. If you don't feel connected or identifying with the piece of clothing that you're wearing, you're just gonna feel off and you're gonna look off because you feel off. So please find your style and your aesthetics and stick with that. And I know that style changes as we go older. Like, I don't have the same style as I had when I was younger. When I was a teenager, I don't have the same style, but I still love colors. That one has never changed. So even if your style changes, you may still incorporate some of your old into the new. It depends on how you change. Just know that style is forever changing, forever moving, and if you stay the same for 50 years, good for you, you do you, but most people don't do that. So even if you find a style that you like now, maybe in the future you won't like that style, and that's okay. Then you find a new style that you like and you do the process all over again. The second thing you have to do is buy clothes that are comfortable. It doesn't matter if it's a dress, pants, tops, anything. Make sure it's comfortable, because if it's not comfortable, you're not gonna reach for that piece of clothing when it's in your closet. You're not. Unless you're feeling extra and you feel like torturing yourself a little bit more than usual, then maybe you will reach for that one, but then again, that's just a maybe. Always find comfortable clothes in stores, and for me, I have sensitive skin, so that may not be as easy, but I do use fabric softener to help with that. But I always find clothes that are comfortable because I want to be able to plan an outfit ahead of time and know that even if I'm having an off day, I'm still gonna be comfortable wearing said outfit. The only thing that might change the outfit is if the weather is completely off than what it was predicted to be. And that's the only thing, and even that is a rare case. So comfortable clothes, that means you're gonna wear them and they're just not gonna sleep in your closet. Now, thirdly, if you are completely new to colors, then I suggest you do your research online. Now, you can do different tests for this, and I have the previous video, I believe. I will link it up below. I will link it up here. Or here. Here, yeah. I will link it up here, and that's gonna tell you, I think the first tip there is letting you know how to find what color suits you. So if you are completely new to colors, then I suggest you stick to either warm colors, cold colors, or neutral, depending on what suits you best. This way you're not gonna be mix and matching wrongly, and it's gonna be horrible because you mix the warm color with the cold color and it doesn't go together. So until you feel comfortable in knowing what colors kind of go together, stick to the basics of either warm or cold and whatever suits you and your skin tone, basically. Number 4, irregardless of what I just said, don't be afraid of mixing and matching colors together or even patterns. Now, I know that's where people kind of get scared and they don't know what to do. Maybe they're doing something wrong, and it takes a lot for you to do something wrong when it comes to colors and patterns. It takes a lot for you to do something completely wrong. Yes, can something be slightly off but kind of working at the same time, especially if you have a quirky personality, then yes. The thing about mixing and matching colors and patterns is that you have to make sure the amount of mixing and matching that you're doing matches your personality. If you are down to earth, you're kind of reserved, then your clothing should not be that loud. Now, if you are a loud person like myself, I don't mean when I speak, but I mean my personality is quite loud. That means I can mix and match more colors than most people can, and I can mix and match patterns more than most people can because I am a loud person. Personality wise, my clothing can also be loud because it's not gonna overtop my personality, and my personality is not gonna overtop my clothing. They match if it makes sense to you. When you do color matching and pattern matching, make sure it matches your personality as well. I think that's what's gonna save or break an outfit, is how it matches your personality. Number 5, you can wear the same color but in different shades, meaning you can do a light blue with a dark blue with a medium blue, everything blue. The only thing I suggest you don't do is trying to make 2 colors look the same and then pretending you have a monochromatic look when the colors are off. Because even we know black is not just black. It is reddish black, it's brownish black, it's bluish black, it's grayish black. Even black is not consistent. So, and that's a solid color, for me it is anyway. But combining colors of different shades, it makes it look effortlessly, and it makes it look like you're not trying too hard, but you're sticking to one color, so to speak. So I do have some examples later, I will show you. Now, instead of just sitting here and talking about what you can and cannot do, or what you can and shouldn't do if you want to look good, especially with colors, because that's my speciality. But I'm gonna show you a few options. I think it's about 5 outfits of what you can do to mix and match with colors and patterns and make an outfit look effortless, cute, beautiful, and maybe with a little bit of quirkiness. Now, I know I'm a bit far away, but that's just so that you can see the whole outfit. Now, this is what it looks like. So, the one thing about this outfit that makes it work together is the fact that it is cold colors, or this one is a neutral blue. It may come off as cold on the screen, I don't know, but it's a neutral blue, and this is a cold pink. And because this is a cold color, it shouldn't go with warm colors, but it goes with neutral colors as well as cold colors. And that is one of the reasons why this outfit looks super cute. Now, another thing is finding shoes that matches the whole outfit as well. Now, I could make my legs look longer by adding blue shoes that completely matches these pants, but let's face it, finding exact colors are hard. So what I have put on are some nude pair of shoes that matches not just my outfit in general because it's a nude color, but it has a slight pink to it, so it will match my top as well. So it's just gonna elongate the look but make it complete. What I have done also is add a necklace just because I have bare shoulders and makes it quite empty up here. So you don't need a big necklace or anything like that, you just need a little something to fill this empty space. Now, if I didn't have an off-shoulder top, I wouldn't necessarily need a necklace unless it was something I wanted to wear. Now, I also added some earrings because my hair is pulled back and it will complement my shoulders and the empty space that is here. So for this outfit, I'm showing you how you can mix the same color but in different shades. Now, I have broken up the look by adding a warm colored white blouse, but it's a warm color, and I've added just a pop of pink just to break out the colors a little bit more. You don't need to if you don't want to, I just like it this way. Now, why this look works is because this is a neutral blue, this is a warm blue, and the shoes are also I want to say a neutral blue as well. But the thing is that these are light blue pants and these are like medium to dark blue jacket, and the shoes are a color in between the two, so it kind of ties the whole look together. Now, I could wear just the pants and the jacket and be fine with it, but I kind of like that the shoes are a color in between the whole look. If I wanted to go all blue, I can go all blue. Just make sure you have the different shades. So either you have to have the same shade in every single piece of clothing, making it monochromatic, or you can do like this, making it look effortlessly and cool at the same time, and it won't look disturbing or a lot, and it doesn't look like you're trying too hard to match colors because you're just doing blue or green or red or whatever you want to do. With this outfit, I'm showing you how you can pair prints with the rest of your outfit and make it match and look good. Now with the print, I usually like to match a color in the print with the rest of my clothing. This is something I don't always do, but if you are a beginner, I do recommend doing this as it will make it easier for you to make the look more cohesive. So what it is with this, I have pink pants, but I have cherry blossoms on the blouse. I don't know if you can see that, but there are cherry blossoms on the prints. Because the blouse has the cherry blossoms that are pink, it also has the white. It matches very well with this bag. So the bag has the pink, it has the white, but because I threw on the blue jacket, it matches with the blue on the bag as well as the blue shoes. Yes, I know it's the same as the other outfit, but this is how you would style print if you're being colorful. Now, I absolutely love this outfit because it states me. I am this loud, I am this creative, so it states who I am on the outside without me telling you who I am. That's what I love about this. Okay, so with this outfit, I'm showing you how you can pair print with print. I'm gonna come up a little closer so you can see that they're both actually print, because I don't think you can see it with the pink one. But this is polka dotted and these are checked lines, checked squares. So these are both technically printed, even though this is an application on the fabric and this is the print. So the reason why this look works is, first of all, the colors match as well, because this is a cold color and this is a cold color. So they're gonna match very well together. So they're not loud and they're very calm. And I think that when you're looking at an outfit, you want it to be cohesive. You don't want your eyes to go from here to there to there to there. You want to go straight line, flowing, kind of beautifully. That's what you want in your look. If I wanted to go out, this might be a little chilly, so I will have my shoes that are nude pink, and then I would just throw on a beige jacket or a nude color jacket and throw it on, and you have your beautiful outfit. And I think with an outfit like this, having either you want to go for a pop of color that matches the outfit, or go for nudes like the trench coat or with some nude shoes, so that the whole look is focused around your shorts and your top. That's where you want the focus to be. So that's when you want to dress down other parts, but you want to make it look cohesive and coherent as well, if that makes sense. Now for this last outfit is to show you how you can play it safe while you're still trying to figure out what you like and what you don't like, what you look good in and what looks good together. Now if you want to simplify your life by a whole lot, just go for a dress. Doesn't matter the color, the print, whatever, just make sure it suits you and it fits you right. I just chose one colored dress instead of a printed one because I think I've shown you printed ones before. So with this look is what I would pair it with is some nude colors or neutral colors. That's what I would pair with a one colored dress. So for me, again, I've chosen my nude shoes. These are my favorites, so yes, I'm gonna be showing you those. Another thing I've chosen is to add a little something extra to the look, because having just one color might look boring. It might not look like it's enhancing your body shape enough. So what I have done is just added a metallic belt that has a little bit of oomph to it. So that makes the look take it from something completely basic and then making something interesting in it, the outfit itself, and breaking up the pieces without actually breaking up the look. I mean, dresses are the best way to try new things because you don't have to worry about mixing and matching your top to your bottoms. You don't have to worry about if they look good together because everything is one piece. The same with jumpsuits and playsuits, everything is one piece. So it makes it easier to try and learn patterns and colors. And what I do suggest, if you have something that has multiple colors in it, or you have something that has a pattern to it, is that when you choose your accessories, you choose something from the outfit itself. So it has a gold button, choose gold accessories. If it has like a puff, like a little hint of this color, you can maybe do your shoes in that, or your handbag, or your jacket, or you can do a complementary color to that. And a complementary color is, for example, green and pink, because they are on the color wheel, they are opposite of each other. Green and pink, they are complementary to each other. The same with yellow and purple. The only thing you need to be aware of is how much you need of each, but I think even for a beginner, you know when it's too much of one color, more than you want it to, and I think everybody has a different preference here. So really just try and figure out and learn new things, and you will maybe be surprised by what you can actually come up with yourself. Now, these are all the tips that I have for you today, and I hope that it did show you and teach you something new, and then maybe this will challenge you to try something new and maybe get out of your comfort zone when it comes to fashion, and maybe actually do something you want to do instead of just following the norm. I think what looks best on you, on everybody, is exactly what they're most comfortable in, and it is what matches their personality. I think that if you wear something like that, you are just gonna look amazing no matter what, because you are owning the look. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked the video. And if you liked the video, please leave a like and a comment. If you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!